Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Fanatic Beats coming out of California, the Central Valley. This is my first video I'm putting up on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be staying more consistent, put up some more as the time goes. Just show you guys my workflow and how I get down and little tips and stuff that I just learned, or I'm still learning though. Still learning. Any questions you guys have, anything you want me to look into or show you guys, be more than welcome to leave a comment in the box. Let me know what you guys want to see. But anyway, so this is basically going to be a Reason 10 with Splice sounds. In this one I'm using actually some Volks right here. Everything else, the drums organically by me. This is gonna be a Mozzy type beat, Bay Area type beat. So go ahead and let's listen to what we have here. Alright, so you get the feel. Real street type beat. Nothing crazy, but it's got a little bit of something to it. Right rapper, I believe, can make it pop. So the first one I did was my Rhodes here. Okay, then to kind of throw something in there to help fill it in, went ahead and threw in some bells. Okay, you see, you feel what I'm going. Then usually from there, after I find the sounds I'm looking for, those main melody, I usually come in with my drums, because it can kind of help me stay on track of what type of vibe I'm going with, because if not, I'll just kind of do what I want, kind of lose track of the feel of the artist I'm working for. So here's the clap with that. Okay, and then I went ahead and stacked it right here just to make it a little fuller. So we got two of them right there. And we went ahead and got our cymbal. Open the hi-hat. Oh, there's our kick. There was our kick. I didn't mean to bring that in yet. Oh, it was on automation. And then we have right here our chant. And throw in the rim shot. Then the kick, of course. A shake. And another open hat. So from there, after I put all that in there, I went ahead and threw my bass line in to give it that harder feel. Stock bass line, that one's pretty cool. And then from here it took a little bit of time. That's where Splice came in right here from my vocal. I didn't add anything to this one, just kept it the same stock sound. And then I did the same thing over here. I dubbed it up, put it in for the second part of the verse with a little filter, just to give it a little slight twist. Just took away, so I just kind of went into the deeper filter with that. And then do my vinyls right here, just give it that little DJ feel. You feel me? Nice little drop. And then that's here you have it. Bay Area Mozzy type beat. Oh, and then the hi-hats, of course. What do I do on these hi-hats? Kind of just went high and low. Just here and there. So. So yeah, this beat will go ahead and be for use online. I'll have it download online pretty soon. Check the YouTube link.